Happy Valentine's Day! We're here at Georgina's Big Blues Kitchen with Georgina calling from Prime Landing and Jen Jones Lakeside.
Hi! We're here today to assemble the romantic pasta primavera dinner.
Cool, so let's open it and see what it's inside. Georgina?
A baguette, French baguette. Artisan heart-shaped pasta. Isn't that pretty?
It's so cute. And this, Jen? What is that?
Olive oil with fresh cracked pepper and freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
What is this, Georgina?
Flavor Excellente, our Italian spice mix.
Diced tomatoes. It's everything that you're gonna need to put your meal together. Easy peasy. And here are the fresh, nice veggies. What do we have here?
We have red onion, red bell pepper, zucchini, basil, and asparagus.
Okay, ready? Let's start.
Welcome to the kitchen. We're going to prepare the romantic pasta primavera. We are going to preheat our pan. Now remember, everything to make this dinner is in your gift bag. Get your pan preheated to medium heat. Add a little bit of olive oil, also in the gift bag. Let that preheat. Jen, you want to grab our veggies? Oh, Jen, I see that our water's boiling. Do you want to add the pasta to the pot?
Yes, ma'am.
The glove is right behind you.
Thank you.
6 minutes al dente, 9 minutes if you want it softer. I like al dente. All right, our pan is preheating. Good way to tell if it's hot enough is to throw a little bit of salt or cracked black pepper in it. Yep, we got a little sizzle. Now, if you wanted garlic, Gabriela didn't think we wanted garlic since this is a romantic dinner and people don't want to kiss with garlic breath. So no garlic in your packs, but you would add garlic after you've sauteed the vegetables a little since garlic burns. Our vegetables. Again, red bell pepper, red onion, zucchini, basil, and asparagus. Give that a little saute. Jen, why don't you check our pasta? Make sure it's not sticking. Give it a little swirl.
Do we need to put salt on the pasta?
You don't have to, but you can. Oh, that smells good.
Yes, it does.
In your gift bag, you have a tin of Flavor Excellente, my own private blend of Italian seasoning. Put a pinch in your veggies. You're also going to want to put a little pinch in the olive oil for your French bread, but we'll get to that in a minute. I'll turn it down a little. There we go. Now you can probably leave the lid off, I think. There you go. You don't want to cook your vegetables too long. You still want them to have some bite. We're just giving it a little stir. All right, I think that looks good. Now add our tomato. Now this is just diced Italian tomatoes.
The entire can?
Yes, the entire can. And sample. We don't have any sodium. The Flavor Excellente doesn't have any salt for those who are salt conscious. Add a little kosher salt and not table salt. Table salt has a higher sodium content than kosher salt. Add a little kosher salt if you want to salt it, but wait until after you've cooked it so that you don't add too much. We've been simmering our pasta primavera for about 5 minutes now, and I think we're done because I want the vegetables to have a good bite. I don't want them to be too soft. Turn it off. We've got our cheese also in your bag. olive oil with a little cracked pepper. When you drain your pasta, you want to make sure that you run some cool water over it to stop it from cooking. It can overcook and you don't want your pasta to be soggy. All right, all good.
Awesome.
Now, I don't pour the cool water over my pasta until after I've plated my meal. I just put the cold water after I've made everyone's plate so that it doesn't get too cold.
That's so cute.
Isn't they adorable?
Yummy.
Healthy. Heart healthy.
Literally. And if you want, you can add a protein. Here you can add shrimp,
Salmon, a little bit of the Flavor Excelente. Could do a steak if you wanted a steak.
and the Parmesan cheese.
I'm gonna put some Parmesan on the pasta.
Ooh, a little bit more on that one.
The bread you would have toasted in the oven till crispy, about 10 minutes, 350 degrees. And I think our dinner's ready. Romantic pasta primavera. Happy Valentine's Day.
Mangiare che ti fa bene.
I think that means eat.
Yeah.
All right, dig in.
Oh.
Definitely looks healthy.
Nice.
The noodles are a little too al dente for my taste.
A little bit.
The packaging said 6 to 8 minutes. I think we would go with 8 to 10. That's
Yeah.
delicious.
It's very good.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's.